Christ planted seeds out the dirt I rose. Knew I was a star when you born with it, you know. Pockets on swole, full of dead prezos. Lately I've been flexing like that nigga Rondo. Shorty dated too many niggas I know. Coming from the streets, you know that's a no-no. Quick to send a text, I don't need your convo. Lately I'm ignoring everyone that I thought I know. I pushed too much feelings to the side. I took too many, let that shit slide. I know haters rather see a nigga die. Pop up out your cake with a shotty like surprise. I pushed too much feelings to the side. I took too many, let that shit slide. I know haters rather see a nigga die. Pop up out your cake with a shotty like surprise. It's your birthday. You ain't tryna spend it in the worst way, but niggas rather send you to your birthplace. Sipping champagne just to celebrate like surprise. It's your birthday. You ain't tryna spend it in the worst way, but niggas rather send you to your birthplace. Sipping champagne just to celebrate. I've been pushing myself, never needed fuel from someone else. Cut from a different cloth, knitted myself. Niggas sneak this until that shit gets dealt. Poppin' rosé, turn my tears to champagne. Niggas pushing weight, tryna keep up with the gains. Money over bitches, still the money over fame. I demand respect when you mention my name. I pushed too much feelings to the side. I took too many, let that shit slide. I know haters rather see a nigga die. Pop up out your cake with a shotty like surprise. I pushed too much feelings to the side. I took too many, let that shit slide. I know haters rather see a nigga die. Pop up out your cake with a shotty like surprise. It's your birthday. You ain't tryna spend it in the worst way, but niggas rather send you to your birthplace. Sipping champagne just to celebrate like surprise. It's your birthday. You ain't tryna spend it in the worst way, but niggas rather send you to your birthplace. Sipping champagne just to celebrate. Bone man and Mary jeans, palm trees print like the Everglades. My style too dope, got you hearing things. Still wearing red bottoms when I'm cycling. I need diamond chandelier like a fountain. Sun gon' rise behind the mansion.
Just got Ayy. Yeah. Ways niggas know that we stand up. Try and get paid without cops trying to jam us. Really in the field, niggas don't understand us. We do this shit for real, niggas do it for the cameras. Ayy, and they do it for the clout. Niggas talk shit, don't know what we really bout. I know a couple niggas who ain't even make it out. This the type of shit y'all niggas will read about. Ayy, early mornings when I'm getting dressed, on my way to school. Niggas never got fresh to death. Jimmy Jazz jeans, cargo belt, but I never stress. Focus on the books, just trying to chase another check. Did the shell toes and it fitted for the Yankees. Girls rocking J, saying girls used to play me. Wasn't in the wave, but the brush game wavy. Always had a do-rag, feeling like I'm Jay-Z. Started glowing up when I started being lazy. Started spitting rhymes, cause that's how my mama made me. Now I'm rocking chains, old things, call me baby. Water on my neck, VVs looking pasty. Then I seen street life, still just a baby. Running from gangs, mostly yeah, I got crazy. Don't really understand why niggas used to hate me. Going by Blaze, niggas never knew my name, B. Looking ways, niggas know that we stand up. Try and get paid without cops trying to jam us. Really in the field, niggas don't understand us. We do this shit for real, niggas do it for the cameras. Ayy, and they do it for the clout. Niggas talk shit, don't know what we really bout. I know a couple niggas who ain't even make it out. This the type of shit y'all niggas will read about. Ayy. Leveled up now, trying to swim in the crowd. Water on the wrist, new shit, you might drown. Pull up in the whip, big body and it's brown. And she looking thick, had to make my way around. Niggas from the hood, you can't even walk around. Smoking on the loud and y'all don't make a sound. If you talking hot, they'll never talk it out. Glock on my side, make a nigga walk it out. Old day showing hoops in 23. Never had 23s, niggas playing for the cheese. Working on my shot like a nigga headed to the league. Niggas getting dry from the cross, I was shifty. Bitches on my line nowadays, they be mixy. Used to dub a nigga saying bitch tryna kiss me. Now I'm in the V, counting C notes. She talking too much, make a deep